Skell, Sketch Engine for Language Learning, is a free simplified interface of Sketch Engine adapted to the needs of learners of English. It is a simple tool for students and teachers of English to easily check whether or how a particular phrase or a word is used by real speakers of English. No registration or payment is required. You just type a word or a phrase and click the search button. There are three basic functions in Skell: examples, word sketch, and similar words. For example, if you type work, you will see work in examples, work in word sketch, and work in similar words. You may also click About Skell to get more information on what is Skell. Skell versus Google Search. Introduction about the three search functions: examples, word sketch, and similar words. Technology behind Skell and data sources. The first function, examples. You can use the Examples button to display examples of a word or phrase in context. For example, if you type controllable in the search field, the system will get you through the three functions by drop-down menu. Click controllable in examples or press enter to get the example sentences. You will get frequency of the word and up to 40 example sentences with target words highlighted in red. You may also try searching a phrase, such as in regard to. Click in regard to in examples. You will get frequency of the phrase and up to 40 example sentences with the target phrase highlighted in red. How it works. Firstly, the search is case insensitive. For example, if you type China, press enter. You will get a frequency of 130.04 hits per million. If you type China with the first letter C in lowercase, you will get the same results. In addition, base form will find its derived forms too. For example, searching for mouse will find examples of mice. However, searching for mice, plural, not a base form, will only find examples of mice, not mouse. Finally, finds all parts of speech. If you search for work, it will get sentences with work as a noun as well as a verb, and both in various word forms: working, worked, works. Therefore, you'd better search a word in its base form. The second function, word sketch, collocations. Collocation is a typical combination of two words. Using correct collocations makes the language correct, natural, and advanced. Collocations cannot be guessed, they must be learned. This is why word sketch in Skell is an invaluable tool. Word sketch is a summary of the most typical collocations divided into logical categories. Word sketch in Skell is available for every content word, i.e., noun, adjective, adverb, or verb. How it works. Type a word in its base form and click word sketch. For example, typing mouse instead of mice. You can see collocations and words commonly found near the word, and the collocate words are categorized by grammatical relationship. By default, the system will show the collocates in a broader typical context to help you get a clearer idea of the collocations. For example, hover the mouse for mouse as a noun in the relation verbs with mouse as object. If you hover over the collocate word, such as hover, there will be a drop-down window showing a few examples in context, which is the first function, as well as similar words, which is the third function in Skell. You may click on hover. You will see examples of hover the mouse in context with both words hover and mouse highlighted in red. Here, mouse is used as a noun. By unchecking the Show Context box, the system will only show the collocate words. By default, the most frequent part of speech, noun, verb, adjective, etc., is shown first. You can change the part of speech if the word has other parts of speech. For example, mouse can also be used as a verb. You may click on verb to see a word sketch of mouse as a verb, and click on a collocation such as mouse over to see examples in context. Here, mouse is used as a verb. The third function, similar words, thesaurus. Take the word cook as an example. You may click Similar Words to display a list of similar words. Similar doesn't mean similar in meaning, but similar in some ways, such as similar collocations, appear in similar situations. The list is generated automatically, which means it is available for every word in the language, provided there are enough examples in the corpus. You will get a list of up to 40 most similar words with the most frequent word comes first. Word cloud. The word cloud shows how similar each word is and the size indicates how frequent the word is. Sometimes, words which do not seem similar will be included in the results. This is because computers cannot tell the meaning of the word. The automatically generated thesaurus uses a different technology to identify synonyms. It tries to find words which tend to combine with the same words as the search word. For example, in the word cloud for cook as a verb, you can see the word try. This is because both cook and try combine with similar words: cook fish, try fish, cook pasta, try pasta, cook salmon, try salmon, etc. Although inappropriate words might occasionally be included, the list is still very useful, and most importantly, it is available for every word in the language. You may also show similar words for a different part of speech. Take cook as an example. You can get similar words for cook as a noun. You may also click a word from the word list to open a word sketch. For example, if you click on chef, you get the word sketch for the word chef.